Alright, what's up guys, what's up YouTube? So I'm just going to do a quick update on XRP versus BTC. I've been getting a lot of questions and short requests for XRPBTC, so I figured I might as well do a video of this, and this is specifically for Cryptalk in our Discord channel. So I want to make this video for you, man. So I think you're new to the Birb Nest, so welcome, and yeah, let's go. So what do we have here? So I know that you've talked about, you know, buying XRP for the long run, and to be honest, I'm not sure about that. Like, before buying something like this, I want to see clear strength form, right? You don't want to, you know, try to catch a falling knife here, because that's just super risky, and especially when you're looking at like long-term investments, right? Like, would you really invest in something like this? It's not really looking that beautiful, right? There's nothing in the TA that tells me that this is going higher right now. But if we get a move like this, like you're seeing here, the white lines here, if we get a clear show of strength, and what I mean by that is basically if we can reclaim a lost support, that would be a show of strength, right? And the longer price stays above support, that means that the market is accepting XRP above a certain level. I'm not sure if you wanted me to short XRP or XRPBTC or XRPUSDT, or, but I'll take a look at both of them for you. So here's a quick rundown here of what I'm looking at, right? So let's update the moving images here. We have the weekly 21 EMA down here. We have the 55 up here. Do we have any like interesting levels for the 200 simple? Yeah, so we have the 200 simple up here in this area, which I like. So I'm gonna add that one. Actually, no, I don't like how the 200 simple is looking on this one. I'm gonna stick with the 21 EM on the weekly. I think that's the one we should be watching here. Alright, so this right here, the gray box here, is a weekly bullish order block, right? And as you can see here, price bounced here, bounced again, and we held the EQ of this order block at 24.99, and basically the EQ of the order block is the middle of the order block. EQ stands for equilibrium, right? So we got the EQ here, we got the middle, and that's the EQ. So what I want to see is, first of all, I want to see a reclaim of the range EQ. Sorry, the order block EQ, right? So we get a reclaim of the order block EQ. That's our first sign of strength, right? But I'm not going to be buying there. I'm going to be buying up here, right? That's when I want to be buying, and this setup here would be activated, right? Either a daily open and close above. I think by looking at this shot, I think we will want to see a daily open and close above to really confirm this level to get reclaimed. Because if you look at the price action here, I'm judging this move by the daily time frame, so I should also be waiting for confirmation on the daily time frame. And by confirmation, I always look for open and closes, not only a close, right? Because as you can see here, we got a lot of daily closes above, but we also have, like, this one is a prime example of a fake out. That's what you want to avoid, right? So you want to look for, you know, I just got a alert for reserve rights. Yeah, I got a possible setup forming here, so I gotta do this video quickly before I can post this setup in the Birb Nest community. Alright, so XRPBTC, gotta be quick about this one because I got a setup forming, and when you see a setup, you need to take it, so I can't really spend a lot of time doing this video. So alright, so I think I've covered basically a very simple idea on XRP. So what you want to see is, first of all, you want to see a reclaim of order block EQ at 24.99. You then want to see a bounce up here. You are most likely going to get reacted by 21 EMA and 21 EMA on the weekly, and this red box resistance up here. But as soon as you get a daily open and close above this level here, that's when I will start to look for a long up here and save some for even higher prices if we get that, you know, the word that we should not, you know, speak. Alt season, right? If we get an all season, well, XRP might perform very, very well. Or it might go to 0, who knows, right? That's why I'm not going to invest in altcoins for the long run. Alright, so to sum it up, reclaim order block EQ, that's our first sign of strength. Next sign of strength will be reclaim the 21 MA weekly and this red box resistance up here at around 2,800 sats. So when we get a daily open and close above this one, that's when this setup will be active. The stop loss you can ignore because the stop loss will be based on this reaction and low that's going to happen up here. I'm saying it like it will happen. You never know if it will happen or not, but I think most likely it will happen. Alright, so looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's take a look at XRPUSDT too. How's this one looking? Well, well, well. Very simple here, very simple. Loose order block EQ here. We are going down. Reclaim 0.20 and we will go up, at least up to 0.22 I think, and yeah, reclaim this area and we will, you know, just continue to use these levels as a stairway to the heavens, right? All right, so that's a quick analysis of XRP. I will post this one in the Birb Nest community, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this. So I feel like sometimes I want to do the short request in video because I feel like I get more information out in a smaller amount of time. All right, so take care guys and see you in my next video.